Hey guys, just came out of Whole Foods. Wanted to get the stuff I need for tomorrow night's recipe, and I got some really good deals. I don't shop here for everything, but I got my celery and my scallions and my dill. This is all for tomorrow night. I did get the most beautiful artichokes. You gotta see this. I mean, these are not for tomorrow night, of course, but they are huge. Look at these. And you couldn't beat the price. Was really good compared to even my supermarket. So I've gotten some artichokes. Here's my little bag of grapes for our salad tomorrow night. I didn't want to buy veganese. It's on our recipe, on our menu, on our recipe for tomorrow night. But I did think, well, instead, I think I'm going to make a cashew cream. Why not? I have hemp milk cashews. I'm going to use that instead of water, and I'll make it a thicker consistency. It's just as good. It just needs something creamy. So the other thing I wanted to show you, see if I can find it. Oh, I got these really nice beets. I'm going to roast those and have beets. I might throw those in my salad too, or if I do a garden salad anyway. But just wanted to tell you, remind you, tomorrow night, Thursday, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, we're going to be having our live, and it'll have the cooking demo. And as you can see, I got lots of cool stuff to put in there. So, got all our ingredients. I got oh, I didn't get cranberries. I think I had some, but I don't have enough, but I'm gonna mix it with raisins. Or I have dried cherries, either one, because they were all out. So I said, I'd forget it. And they had pecan pieces on sale. What a good deal. So I got a nice big bag of pecan pieces too. So that's what I wanted to let you know. I am looking forward to seeing you on Thursday, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bring your recipe and come with a smile. We're gonna have some fun. All right, bye guys.